It's a Sunday. I have only 5 clients, so come work an 8-hour shift with me, but let's make it a long version. So I arrived a little bit early, so first stop is getting a chai latte. This is my order. We're with Angela. My precious Angela. These were her nails. Gold chrome.
I got so many compliments. I said, it's cherry, right? Literally, right? It's something about that green.
These are her retention for 1 month. Now see, the retention is tea. But then when it comes to like working here at night, it's creepy. I don't like working late at night or when it's dark. And then we gotta turn off the lights. It's all scary and everything like that.
You should be here by yourself.
So I think about all the things. Ghosts, vampires, while I'm turning off the light. I'm serious.
I'm so sorry because I would be thinking the same thing. And that's why I can't come in here and look them in the face because of what you voted for. You voted for everything against what I am.
Yeah.
Period.
That's right.
And my people. And I won't tell my...
I said they talk about you in your language. They just want you for your money. They don't care about you guys.
What was it that you don't like to do again?
I'm gonna have to play the video for you because it was a whole list.
It was a whole list. That was like...
All nice and shaped. She wanted square. We're doing tiramisu for 2.
And you pick one of these white people out, they gonna call them. Period. But it's the black folks you wanna talk about and treat wrong, but we ain't gonna be the ones that call them.
The lines are done, so now we're going to add 3D Chrome. We're using Jin B Crazy Talk. You can get this on Zulaboo. Oh my god. And I'm mixing a little bit of a non-white black with the gel. So we're just doing like little abstract, even though I don't really like abstract like that. It's abstract. Little swirly lines on top.
Right on that.
We're using the Chrome from Amazon.
Word of mouth.
But not like a super new.
I don't blame you though.
Yeah.
I don't blame you. This is your piece.
¿Qué está haciendo? Las uñas.
Las uñas. Everyone really loves these.
Oh, I love them.
Every single patient I have gotten has, or even like the male patients, the older like 40, 50-year-old, they're like, oh my gosh, your nails look so good. Okay, period. I love that. And everyone loves it. And they lasted so well.
And they were like so last minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we didn't have no idea.
Yeah. And everyone absolutely adored it.
What are you thinking about?
That one I had sent you.
Oh, these are so cute. I love it.
Things I feel like working out, changing my diet. Oh, I saw your video about that and the lamp.
Yes, hate them both. Hate them both. That's all I got right now. I'm broke.
Yeah.
I just need to find a primary doctor too. That could help tremendously.
Yeah. Yeah, just like tell them like, oh, I do like all of this stuff and I just want a little boost and then to get you to where you want and you can come off of it eventually.
So when I'm in hot yoga, I get text messages from clients or my boyfriend or whatever, but we can't have our phones in the class.
Yeah.
So I'm like, how the heck am I supposed to get these notifications?
love. I need to see these colors more often.
They compliment you for sure. And your pretty skin tone. So pretty. This one right here is my favorite. Sarah, relax your fingers.
Sorry. I used to play a musical instrument. They would get mad. If you're...
Like, Cherry, did you just slap your client's hand?
You should do the noise.
Only the ones that I'm comfortable with. That I know wouldn't be upset at me.
Oh my god. Do you know Lang Ven got a bee?
What?
They got roaches.
Oh no. That place is old though. They should have been renovated or something or relocated. It's been there since I was like, before I was born.
Cam told me the other day, he's like, do you know they got a bee from the health code? Because they got roaches?
Oh no. No thanks.
Health department. My bad. I guess.
Oh. Well, I hope you feel better.
Thank you. Me too.
I'm glad you hope that you feel better.
Because I cannot. A regular bowl. And she was trying to get her attention, so she takes the yogurt and throws it down the stairs. So it breaks.
Oh my god.
And I go to clean it up. And once I'm done cleaning, I'm taking the vacuum and the mop and I'm going down the stairs, right? My dumbass forgot that the stairs were wet. And I should proceed with caution.
And that's how you fell.
I fell.
That makes so much sense. While I'm in Barcelona? No. What do you think of them?
They're so pretty.
They can't see it. You gotta put down here.
Oh.
This is it. It's so cute.
I love.
This is celebrating
Eve.
Yes.
I love it.
This is my favorite set of the day. So now we're doing her lashes. She's laying down. We're doing some volumes. She's in need of a fill immediately. Now I'm about to do my last client. I'm doing her lashes. Okay, so I just did my last client. Today was a success. I did not have a lunch break whatsoever. But I kind of want to just do these like long videos with you guys to kind of show you how long I really work. I'm so tired. I don't know what to do tonight. I might just want to lay down and go to sleep. Because guess what? It's raining. So I have to clean up, order my Lyft ride, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have made it this far, love y'all. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos.